1 second. Okay, I just need the PowerPoint. I'll see you soon. I just wanted to check in.
I just received the invoice and I just have a couple questions.
We have like 2 months left.
Yes,
what if
those are the most accurate, up-to-date numbers.
If I wanted to get some more.
That'd be perfect. Thank you so much.
Do you guys have any availability for that?
Yeah, that would be amazing.
And if we could just get this on like sorry, can you spell that one more time?
Maybe put this on like a rotation. Perfect.
Got it, okay. Are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, I'm Danielle.
And I'm Bridget, and today we are on set.
I'm doing a really exciting Phe Phe shoot. We're super excited.
Okay, I think this looks good. Let's pull up the production plan in Excel.
Okay.
All right, now that's done. Want to get froyo?
Duh.